It was a little tough to tell my parents, and mainly because वो इसलिए होता है because a lot of people just see कि oh, she's wearing a bikini. They don't see why we are wearing a bikini, because we have to. It's a part of the judging process, and we're doing it to show off our hard work. Maybe something else, yes.
अच्छा, तो पानी पीना पड़ेगा।
पानी पी तो आप आज का पूरा वाटर इंटेक यहीं पूरा करवा दोगे।
I have got her live. How are you?
Hi, I'm good. आप कैसे हो?
मैं फुल पावर हूँ। नवरीत AKA लिल रॉकेट हूँ। Okay, ये नाम कैसे पड़ा यार नवरीत?
It's a very good question actually. So basically what happened was ये around 10-15 साल पहले की बात है, and I was at that time in my fitness journey. मैं kickboxing में काफी थी. So मेरे कोच थे, उनका नाम एडगर था. He's from Amsterdam. तो हम लोग सब ट्रेन करते थे. तो यू नो दैट किक बॉक्सिंग और मोए थाई जैसे कहते हैं, इट इज़ द नेशनल स्पोर्ट ऑफ थाईलैंड. तो हम लोग वहाँ पर गए एंड वी स्टेड देयर फॉर अबाउट 2 weeks और काफ़ी ट्रेन किया. तो वहाँ पर सुबह रूटीन ऐसे होता था दैट वी वुड गेट अप इन द मॉर्निंग एंड सुबह सुबह हम हिल्स पे रनिंग करने जाते थे. तो इट वॉज लाइक लॉन्ग राउंड, फिर आके वापस एंड वी वुड जस्ट डू आवर बॉक्सिंग फुल ऑन ट्रेनिंग. But वो काफी लंबा राउंड था and there were a lot of boys and a mix of boys but less girls. So every day like we would start and I would beat them every day. So there was this Australian woman there who said, "Look at her, she's like a little rocket." You know, and वहाँ पर उस ट्रिप पे वो वैसे नाम पड़ गया. And that time Instagram also just came on, so I was like, what to keep. So that just ended up being my handle. So it was just a very cute name and सब लोग Little Rocket कहते थे उस ट्रिप पे. So it was just like a cute little name from there on.
Let's play a game that is called Fitness Myth Busters. आपको खाली yes or no बोलना है और उसका एक reason. The first question is कि अगर आपने 10,000 steps एक दिन में चल लिए, तो आपको कोई भी एक्सरसाइज करने की जरूरत नहीं है उसके अलावा.
No. As a very normal base level, it's a good thing. But if you're looking at making good progress, I think थोड़ा सा जैसे whether it's yoga, whether it's adding some sort of weight resistance to make some progress, that is very very necessary. वो additional होना चाहिए कि 10,000 steps हो गए, yes. But it depends on what level you want to be. So as a base level, it's good.
The more water you drink while you're exercising, the better it is.
Not necessarily, because when you're weight training and your heart rate is up, sometimes when you're drinking a lot of water, it can make you feel pukish. या कभी देखा होगा ऐसे stitch पड़ता है यहाँ पर. So I think just sipping a little bit so that थोड़ा so that it doesn't like make you feel too dry in your mouth.
Empty stomach workout करना चाहिए कि नहीं करना चाहिए?
I think yes and no. Try both, because एक स्कूल ऑफ थॉट है कि आप जब एम्प्टी स्टमक वर्कआउट करते हो फर्स्ट थिंग इन द मॉर्निंग, थोड़ा सा आपका फास्टिंग पीरियड और इंक्रीज हो जाता है. समटाइम्स पीपल इवन से योर टेस्टोस्टेरोन लेवल्स आर अ लिटिल बिट हायर, which is better for your workout and muscle building. So I would say दोनों करिए, because when you eat you also have energy. ठीक है. So I think it depends on your goal. अगर आपका goal solely है कि you wanna just get rid of like a lot of fat, you can try that. But if it's more like you want to gain muscle, it's better to eat and then do it accordingly.
Mythbuster तो हो गया.
Okay.
अब हम एक गेम खेलेंगे जिसको हम कहते हैं Never Have I Ever. So the rules are simple. जब आपने वो चीज किया है, आपको पानी पीना है.
Okay.
Never have I ever skipped your workout just to stay in bed and laze around. क्या आपने workout?
I
You have?
I have had my days. I'm also human. Come on. होता है. We all have our days.
यार मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा कि आपने इसमें पानी पिया, क्योंकि मेरे को है ना बहुत ऐसा टेंशन होता है कि मैं अकेला ही तो नहीं जो ये कर रहा हूँ. As we all know, आप इंडियाज फर्स्ट IFBB फिटनेस बिकिनी प्रो एथलीट हो. आपने जब ये शुरुआत की, एक तो आप इंडिया की फर्स्ट लौती लड़की फीमेल हो who's doing this. So क्या आपको कभी बैकलैश फेस करना पड़ा कि यार ये क्या कर रही है लड़की?
Actually मेरी strategy थोड़ी different थी. To answer your question, I'm gonna say no. it was a little tough to tell my parents, and mainly because वो इसलिए होता है because a lot of people just see कि oh, she's wearing a bikini. They don't see why we are wearing a bikini, because we have to. It's a part of the judging process, and we're doing it to show off our hard work, right? That is the whole thought process behind it. So just to avoid those complications, मैंने एकदम नहीं बताया. But once I went for my first competition and I won, तब आके I told my parents, and then mom is like, okay, very good. I'll tell dad आराम से, and then it just happened, and now it's at a point where they are so proud.
Lied about being ill to avoid workout or to avoid something else.
No, workout. I've never lied about workout. No, maybe something else. Yes.
अच्छा, तो पानी पीना पड़ेगा.
पानी पी. तो आप आज का पूरा water intake यहीं पूरा करवा दोगे, है ना?
आधा सीखती हो. Worked out while being sick.
Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah, वो in fact it's like ये होता है कि I always feel better, you know. But yes, कभी-कभी होता है कि नहीं करना चाहिए था. But it's like I always want to go and work out. And even like ये होता है कि चलो, you just get out of home and go to the gym, थोड़ा stretch करो, do something, and it just makes you feel better most of the time. So yes.
इसी बात पे. So next segment, very interesting segment. So this I have played with all my celebrity guests.
Bring
all
it on.
Yeah, and that is Roshan's Rapid 5. Five food items which you include in your diet every day.
Okay, so it's gonna be some type of protein, so chicken, eggs, whatever, vegetables, peanut butter or almond butter.
Okay.
Yeah, and eggs. ये तो होता ही है. It's every day.
Four gym equipments you wish you could have it in your home right now.
Okay, so it's going to be squat rack.
Okay.
Yeah, so squat rack. I think full variety of dumbbells. Cardio में I really like using that stair machine. एक stair machine आती है, which is really nice. So I miss that one quite a lot.
Three exercise that are 100% अगर कभी आप बीमार हो या तो बोर हो रहा है या तो मजा नहीं आ रहा है तो भी करोगी.
Shoulders की जितनी भी exercises हैं, like your lateral raises, shoulder presses and everything, and like a good leg day, you know, like squats, deadlifts, hip thrusters, और जो मेरी category है, which is basically bikini, there's a lot of focus on building like nice legs, you know, nice glutes and all of that.
Fourth question is अगर आप फिटनेस में नहीं रहते, okay? अगर आप फिटनेस में इतना फुल पावर नहीं रहते तो दो ऐसी टैलेंट्स, हिडन टैलेंट्स जो लिल रॉकेट के पास है जो दुनिया को दिखाई देती.
I think a lot of people don't know that fitness मेरा main profession नहीं है.
Okay.
So I work with MAC Cosmetics, which is a makeup brand, and I'm the national artist for that brand. So my main profession is makeup and beauty. So that is what I do. But चलो उसको भी अगर अलग करें, and let's say if I wasn't doing that, I think it would be me owning my own gym and a restaurant along with it, where I cook like really healthy stuff, have my own gym. So एक वो, and secondly I love animals. So कुछ wildlife या उसके related.
आप ऐसा सुबह उठ के क्या कहते हो अपने आप से? One quote that you live by.
The moment I get up, 5 minutes, even before I go brush my teeth, 5 minutes I spend reading something positive. कुछ भी, you know, whether it's a video I want to watch, whether it's a book, उसमें कुछ, you know, small quote or something, because it sets the tone for my day. ठीक है? And then I don't have like a very good tagline like you do, but मेरे साथ ये होता है, I like to have a theme for each day.
And एक last question. Okay, class, sorry, हाँ, मेरे को बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग सा क्वेश्चन लगता है. ये मेरे को में है नहीं, बट ये मैंगोस, ओके, मैंगोस, आप मैंगोस खाती हो?
Oh, it's my favorite. Like I cannot stop eating it. I love mangoes.
So अभी ये कैसे मैनेज करते हैं यार मैंगोस और ये फिटनेस?
पूरे दिन में जो आप खा रहे हो, it has to be more balanced so that you can add, let's say, 1 mango a day. यू नो।
बंद।
तो ये है कि डोंट ईट थोड़ा जंक फ्राइड फूड, वो सब कंट्रोल करो, सो दैट वो आपका एक चीट है डे में दैट यू आर अलाउड। एंड उससे क्या होगा, यू कैन हैव दैट एंड एट द सेम टाइम यू विल स्टे डिसिप्लिन थ्रू आउट द डे। मेक श्योर थोड़ा सा आप वर्कआउट करो, स्टे एक्टिव।
तो इसी मैंगो नोट पर हम करते हैं इंटरव्यू खत्म। थैंक यू सो मच, वी स्टे इन टच एंड स्टे फुल पावर।
ओके, बाय बाय।
I take care.